Got on our first one.
Barely out.
A little one, just barely put it out. We're hooking up the other poles. And that's on the garlic shrimp. All right, we're rolling out. Headed off to do some kitty cat fishing. So we got to go to a place where you can't take the four-wheel drive, so that's what this is coming into play for. To get us where we got to get to. So we're off. We're rolling. We'll see you in a bit. Coming up here, it's that time for a new adventure. Me and my boys.
Diamond Boys TV.
Got them out. We're gonna take this razor out here to Weber Reservoir and go hunt down some kitty cats today. Do some afternoon fishing out here. I heard they got some good fish out here, so we got some shrimp. We got some shrimp with garlic. We got some chicken titties with Kool-Aid. We got some teriyaki chicken titties. Wow, that's a little bumpy there.
It's gonna be till we get to about right
so
over there, and then we're gonna pull off and go that
we're
way.
gonna handle it right here. Check it out. See what we get into. Let's go. Let's go. Let's drop this baby. Dragon strap. Dragon strap. Yeah. Alright, back we go. All loaded up.
Here we go.
All done. We're ready to go.
TV, let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go find some kitty cats.
Meow meow.
Look at that. That looks like a kitty cat. What is that noise? All right, we found a spot down here. We're right at the inlet of the river. Right here on this peak. We made up a spot down here to get out. Yeah, right down here. And this is where we're gonna be for the day. There's some kitty cats out there. Alright,
Got on our first
we'll
one.
Be back with you in a bit.
Barely out.
Little one, just barely put it out. We're hooking up the other poles. And that's on the garlic shrimp.
You hear him talking? He's
Yeah,
honking.
he's too small though to keep.
I am putting him back.
Yeah, show him. Show him what we got. Choker. Yeah. Alright.
Snake out there swimming
On to the next one. I don't know if you can see it. I can't zoom in when it's on video mode. But he's just cruising. He's eating the little fish is what he's doing. That's a little water snake.
Yeah.
Cool.
I got him.
Cool. He's swimming in. I'm swimming in.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it is. Maybe a carp. He's standing. Oh, nice. Nice cat, dude. He's definitely a keeper. Come on, give me a net. This is a lightweight line. This is my trout pole.
He's a little bitty.
Yeah, but he's a keeper. Maybe. Ah, nah, he's kind of skinny, huh? He got no meat on him. Scott couldn't eat that.
Nope.
Hey.
Too small.
Nice. Oh, there's one cat down. Nice. Let's get you unhooked here. There we go. Yeah. He's 12 inches. 12 inches, but he's real skinny. No tummy on this guy. No tummy on this guy. You ready? There you go. There you go. All right, there's one down. That was a combination of night crawler.
Oh, got hit hard. Nice one. Big capture.
Uh oh, he's got it. They're hitting.
Nice.
They're coming through. They're coming through. Get up, get up.
Yeah, he's like right here, dude. He's big. He's killing drag, whatever.
Nice. I think it's only 8-pound tests on there too, so. Where's your drag set at, dude? Where's he at? Oh, this is the drop off out here too, huh?
Yeah, drop off's right
He's coming up right here. I can see him right here. I just seen the silver. On the little Abu Garcia bait caster. There you go. Oh, nice one.
He's a nice
Slate,
one.
take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. Yeah. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, he didn't want to come up, bro. Take it slow, you're gonna lose him, Christian. Let him tire out, he's a big boy. Get ready, James.
I'm trying to find the edge.
Yeah, I know. He's coming right at you, James, to the right. Don't grab the string. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Oh, oh yeah, Bubba. That's right. There we go. That's a keeper.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go. Yeah. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for eaters like this right here, but guys, look at that one.
That's a bad.
Watch your fingers. Get up under that fucking those fins. Reach up under it. Yep. Just right up under it. Push it up under there so you can grab a hold of it. Make sure you. There you go. There you go.
Did you bring the stringer?
What's that other one? It's fucking underneath it. No, I didn't bring the stringer, but I got a bag. I didn't even think about the stringer.
Little guy.
Can't pull him much at all. Oh yeah, he's a little guy. Yep. Oh, he's a fucking bullhead.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that, little bitties.
I even got my worm left still too.
They don't really get big.
Cute little bullhead. Look at him. Yeah. Can you see it? All right, let's go get this guy. Let's go let him loose. There we go. There you go. See you later, buddy. Come on. Got him. Got him. Another little bullhead. Another little bullhead. Look at these little guys. There you go. Little cute guys. See that? Yeah, little bullheads. But we're looking for your mom. We're looking for your daddy.
The biggest those get are like 4 pounds, Dad. 3 pounds.
Ah, there you go. We'll see you later. Oh. Oh yeah, I do. He's on there. He's nice. He's a keeper. Get the net. Oh, look at him splash. The hell is that? Yeah. Oh. Nah, that's not a keeper. Never mind. Come here, guy. Come here. Hey, don't you poke me. Yeah. I gotcha. There we go. There we go. You know, little guy? Yeah. There you go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Whoa, Christian. Hey, turn that drag. Set that drag. Set that drag. Here, James.
Hard.
Yeah, he did. Right here, too. Uh-oh, he's in the bushes. Oh, nice. Watch that drop off right there. Yeah. Nice, another keeper. I bet you're gonna find a hook in that dude's mouth. Let me go cast out mine, then I'll be right there.
I got it out anyway.
Oh, well here, let's check this one out. Yeah, another kitty cat, another keeper. Where's the stringer?
Right there. Oh, they're right here.
Nice. That's a keeper.
That ain't no keeper.
Nah, he's skinny. Well,
That's not no keeper. He's a little small, dude.
yeah.
He's gonna be the smallest of the keepers that we have. But then again,
Let that one go.
my first keeper set the bar pretty high.
Let him get bigger. Need a bigger. That'll work though.
My first
James is on board finally. Now we all got some. I got him. Oh yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. We got some good head shakes though. Yeah. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on now. You got some good head shakes for a little guy. Another bullhead.
Yeah, bullhead like you.
Come on, guy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you've been sitting down there eating on that worm, huh? Yeah, another little bullhead. Look at this guy. Step that. Go ahead. You go up with that worm. You take that worm. You go on. You go on. You go on and tell you guys. Come see me. I'm giving away worms. All right, there we go. Come on now. Here, kitty, kitty. Out here killing it.
Oh, it's another little one.
Another bullhead. The bullheads are, oh, look how fat he is. Look how fat that sucker's been feeding. I bet you this is the one that's ate all my worms. Yeah. I bet you. You're the guy, huh? You're the guy. Look at that. You got, I'll give you a piece. Here. Hold on. Open your mouth up. There you go. Take a piece of worm with you. Wow, he bit me. You little shithead. There you go. There you go. Come on. Go the other way. You little sucker. Oh, by the way, before you guys come up here to Weber Reservoir, make sure you go to the Indian reservation and get you a pass. They sell day passes, they sell yearly passes, they sell 2-pole passes, but you gotta have a reservation.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta have a reservation right there. Walker River Paiute Tribe. Right here. I got a yearly one because I live right here in the area and I plan on being here. A few here and there. Me and my boys all have one. 2-pole license tags. It's $60 for yearly with 2-pole tags. So it kind of works out here. Oh yeah, he's nice too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe, yeah. That fucker's strong. Might be a carp. He's swimming right towards me right now. Oh no, you're not going under the tree. He's right here. He's a keeper. Ready? Nice! Yeah!
Keeper?
Finally got a keeper. Yeah. Yeah.
You're up there with me now.
Yeah. Nice. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful catfish out here, though. They are some beautiful catfish. I got to say that.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, big guy. Don't start rolling on me. There it is. Let me hold this. Hold on. I got it right here. I'm just going to go right here. All right. There you go. Oh, yeah. One of those babies. There's some kitty cats. We got some. Oh, he's running.
That's how mine was. Spider.
On the Akuma Celio. Yeah. Nice. Nah, I ain't keeping him. He's too small. He's nice, but he's not big like the rest of them. There we go. There we go. There's another kitty cat, but
Net release?
no, I'm not gonna keep him. You got bumps all over him. Look at that.
It's got herpes.
Yeah. There you go, buddy.
Oh, he hit the net, but
Another one here. Nice one. Oh yeah, he's nice. I think he's a keeper. He looks fatter.
you've got some fillets on him.
Come here, boy. Come here, bud. I don't you fucking... You hear him? You hear him? He's croaking. Running that job. You think that's big enough for Scott? Or is that... Hey, it's kind of small. Yeah. There's no meat on it. Nice kitty cats though. You guys see these things? They're 14, 15 inches long. He got hit by something. There he goes.
And in the water, at least up to my, almost up to my elbow.
Yeah, that's where the ledge
That's
is.
how deep it drops right there.
Yeah, you'll see. So, Christian, where's the ledge at? Right there. Right there is where it drops off. Okay.
I still can't even touch the bottom of the trenches.
Might be scaring the fish. Bumps on one. What do we got? Another bullhead? Yep. Got another bullhead over here. These things are beautiful, man. See those gold colors on them? Yeah, push it straight out. Yeah, there you go. He's gonna bite it. Yeah. Oh shit! Deuce! Right into my foot. All right, GoPro kept on turning off because it was overheating. So we caught a grip of fish. We got some nice keepers. We're gonna head over to the dam right now and check out the spillways and stuff before it gets too dark. So let's go for a ride. After spending the day down on the lake by the inlet, we slayed it down there. We tore it up. We caught a grip. Christian caught the biggest back there. Lucky bastard. Yeah, he caught the biggest. But yeah. So we're coming down here to the spillway.
Yeah, James all together. Shit. Catching bass off there. A little creek there.
That's a cool little creek though. This is a spawning creek.
The fish in the outlet though.
Yeah. Ow. Oh yeah. My back is tossed. Look how dark you are, James. You look negro. Wow. Now I know what it looks like on the bottom when we do come out here and fish in this.
Well,
That's it. We're done for the day. We got on some nice ones. We all caught some fish. It was pretty cool. Got some nice keepers to give to my boys' boss.
Yeah.
So that'll work. But we're out. Another episode. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. There's a lot of people watching that's not subscribed. It's free, man. Help me out. I'll help you out. I'll start telling you guys some spots too. So I'm not just out here trout fishing. We're out here catfishing. We're out here bass fishing. We're out here fishing. We're out here outdoors, man. Hamming outdoors. Don't forget it. Subscribe. Hit that button. Hit that bell. I got some giveaways coming up. I got a bunch of free rods and reels. I just got a bunch of brand new inboxes, reels. So you guys be looking for these giveaways on my Facebook, on my Instagram, and on my YouTube. Go hit the like button. Go hit the follow button. We'll see you guys later, man. You guys have a good one. All right, we made it home in one piece.
You can cut that.
Oh, wow, that's really cool. Look at the size of these suckers. What the heck is that on this? He's still alive? Whoa. Wow. Wow, he is still alive. Yeah. There's some big boys. Yeah, some big boys. Here. He's down there.
That one's alive.
Oh, nice sized kitty cats. So is that big one. That big one bit me.
He's alive again. He's moving.
He's putting water down his stomach.
No?
He's still alive. He's like, give me more. Oh, be quiet. Get over here, Bella. Flatten it out, the board out. Yeah, so that's what we wound up with. All right, we're gonna clean them up, get out of here, so we'll talk to you guys later.